So this is the remedy which is very close to human being, and that is why I want to share this remedy with you. It has a very significance to our life. A lot of things which happen in our life are also related with salmon's life, and there is something which is unique in this remedy. And once you hear the remedy, you will say, okay, I should have a similar kind of person in my life. What is the basic nature of human beings? How human beings are different from other species? What do we do? More intelligent? Yes. Exactly. Then what else? Emotional. We are very emotional. We get attached to things. What else? Greedy. Who said that? That is, you are talking about now. Now people have changed. But what are they usually? What else we do?
Analyze, interpret, communicate, socialize.
Social, communicate. What else? Sensitive.
We have a higher purpose for our existence.
Higher purpose of existence. And what do we do in higher purpose of existence?
Production, reproduction.
Reproduction is not the higher purpose of existence.
Darwin's theory, sir.
Huh?
According to Darwin's theory.
No. I don't think so. Then let's break and go to the higher purpose. No. What is our deeper purpose? Okay. What else we do? What else we do in this? Existence. And what do we do for existence? Struggle. Okay. One thing which we do is struggle. What else we do?
Try for your happiness.
Try for happiness. Try for your happiness. Beautiful. Excellent. What else we do?
Try to bring more things, new things, or
New things, creative. What else?
Protection.
Protection of
Everything.
ourselves and our own species. What else we do?
Family,
Family,
of property.
property,
love.
love, caring. And what is the most beautiful thing about human being? We can survive under any circumstances. Why? Why we are able to survive under any circumstances? Adjustable, because we are adjustable and adaptable. Now that is the core of this remedy. Now salmon has been proved beautifully, and during the proving there is something which is excellent which has come in the proving. Okay, and I'll just share this, a very interesting feature. Now what does happen in salmon's life? They go and breed at a particular point. Okay, they go and breed at a particular point. Where do they go? They go to the exact tributary. Now I'll give you a little background about the salmon fish. Now salmon fish is something which is born, and for reproduction it goes back to the same place. Exactly, and it only can reproduce in the fresh water. That is the beauty of it. It can reproduce only in the fresh water. So what happens? Once it reproduces in the fresh water, it gradually grows to a particular size. It goes to the ocean. See the beauty of it. It goes back to the ocean. Now, what happens when you are used to the fresh water, sweet water, and when you go to the sea, what happens? It's all salty water. So it's very difficult. The skin gets affected, everything gets affected. There's a major issue. So what does salmon do? Basically, goes back and goes through the whole cycle and adjusts to this. Now, when it is in fresh water, it goes to the sea. Okay, from the, all the rivers, everything ultimately joins the sea. So when it joins the sea, it survives that for some time. After that, it goes back to the same tributary. So what happens? What happens? He has to go against the current. See the beauty. The river is flowing this way and going to the sea. From the sea, it goes back to the river. So how much of struggle, those who are swimming will know, what is it to swim against the current. And that is what human beings does. The people who are creative, people who have contributed, somebody said here, creative, contributive, innovative. These are the people who have genuinely done something. So is it not close to our human nature? It goes, struggles, fights against all the circumstances, goes back to the same place. And what is the memory? What is the beauty of the memory? It doesn't go to this river, it goes to the same tributary. Okay? And it goes to the same spot as it was born. This is the beauty of salmon. So human being have a memory, salmon also has a memory. Human being is struggling, salmon is also struggling. So this remedy becomes very close to our human beings. Very interesting remedy. And how does it find the way? It follows the sun, it follows the magnetic field. It can record some of the magnetic field, it records the chemical pattern of the river, and it can find different streams and different thing. Okay, so this is what is. And how did they find out? They tagged some of the salmon when they were born, and after some time, when they went for the breeding, they found the same salmon in the same place. That is how they could find out. What else is determination? Human beings have determination to succeed, to reach, to perform, to do the things in life. So they have the same way determination, even at the cost of life. And what is our ultimate purpose? We were talking of the higher purpose. Return to the source. We must say that all of us are interested in going back to the source. See how beautifully this remedy represents our human life. And that is why it becomes a very, very important remedy in our practice. Normally, how do people survive? Nourish, struggle, breed and die. Okay? But the whole thing is, it's like a free bird, it represents, even the proving showed lot of symptoms which were like a free bird. Okay? Adaptability is amazing to the salt and sweet water. And what? Knowledge of wisdom. We store our wisdom and we go to the next level. Returns to the same location, and it has lot of